Hello guys. So when you want to build a three-bedroom house, there are several factors that you should consider or you should put in consideration before you start that project of a three-bedroom house. Then after that, you may know what to do. So the first factor is the location, your location, where you want the house to be built. Then the second factor is your budget. What is your budget? How do you want the house to look like? The quality of the house always matters. The budget, the cost. Then the third aspect is the environmental condition. Your soil, the gradient of your location, the soil. You know, cotton soil is not good for building. So what you should do, it will cost you a lot. So another factor, the skills in the area. You know, if you want to build a house, let's say in Shags, some some of the people there, they are not as skilled as those in Nairobi or in urban areas. So you should also consider the skills or the personnel in your area. Another factor you should consider, the what type of material you want to use. So for example, this hidden roof house, it's a three-bedroom house, a master en suite. Then the two bedrooms shares a common toilet. Then there's a sitting room, a dining area, a kitchen, and a store. Then there's a backyard, kitchen yard. So probably a house like this can cost you around 4.5 million if you are in a remote area. Let's say like in Nakuru, it can cost you that money. But when you are in Nairobi, it can cost you like 5.5 million. Then when we go to Shags, let's say Western, because Western is far away from Nairobi, it can cost you less money. Like let's say 2.5 million. 2.5 million. Yeah. But the design remains the same. And the interior remains the same. So when building a house, it's not all about money or the land or whatever. It's about the factors. Because like let's say the soil, when building in a cotton soil area, you use a lot of money for the foundation. But when you are building in a red soil area or let's say a rocky area, you use less labor and material because the soil is stable and it is good for. Another factor that we consider in construction is the availability of water and the road access, so that the material you buy can come near your house. Then water, when there is no water, water can cost you up to 80,000 for you to complete a house. If you don't have water, if you don't have a borehole or a dam or whatever. So those are the factors that you should consider when you are building a house. So our hashtag here is kila mtu ajenge. That's our hashtag. Because if you have a low budget, if you have, let's say, like 50,000, you can start by buying materials. If you buy materials as little as one lorry of rocks, stones, ballast, and sand, then after that you buy iron sheets. You know, iron sheets, they are also very expensive. So this one, I'm talking to people in rural area, because iron sheets are so expensive in rural areas. Then lastly, you will buy cement and those other small stuffs. So I think you can start building with whatever you have. Building is a matter of time and quality na kujitolea. So tuseme hivi, kama uko na plani ya kujenga, anza saa hii, usingojee kesho. Anza saa hii na kile kidogo uko nacho. If you have something small, just start now. Start now. So subscribe to this channel. We will talk more. Any questions? Comment down below. Thank you.